and welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change email address on Zedge. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Zedge application from the app drawer and also make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main home page of Zedge, tap the settings button at the bottom right. Now, tap on your username at the top and click on Manage Account button. On the next page, tap on the email address tab and enter the new email address you'd like to change to. Once you enter the email address, tap on Change Email. You'll need to verify your new email address. Simply go ahead and open up the email inbox and you should receive an email from Zedge. Tap it open and copy the code in it. Go back to the Zedge app and paste in the code that you just copied. Once you paste in the 6-digit code received via email, tap Verify in order to change your email. That way, you can easily change your email address on Zedge app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.